Hello, dear children. Okay, so what had we done in my previous lectures? I had explained you the lesson, the ashes that made trees bloom. Okay, but if you had not understood any of the part, so for that purpose I am providing you the summary of the lesson. Okay, a very short summary, and here you will understand the lesson better. Okay, so which were the main characters of the story? The old woman and the old man couple. Okay, the good couple and the bad couple, and the main dog Muko. Okay, so these were the main characters of the story. So now let's discuss the story in short. Once there lived an old couple. They had a pet dog. They had no child. They loved the dog as if it were a baby. The dog was called Muko. The kind couple fed the dog with their own folks. In return, the dog also loved them so much. Okay, loved them much. So it means the couple loved the dog much, and the name of the dog was Muko. Okay, and they loved him like a baby. Okay, so the old man was a farmer. Every morning Muko followed him in his field. So field मतलब क्या होता है? खेती की जगह, farms. Okay, so the Muko the dog used to follow the man, उनके पीछे पीछे जाता था. And Heron the bird, ये bird है, who used to walk footsteps along the footsteps of the old man to pick up worms. So while walking उसमें से इल्लियाँ निकलती थी, चलते चलते बाहर आ जाती थी इल्लियाँ, the worms, and to eat those worms this heron bird used to come. So heron bird is very beautiful tall bird and long beak. Okay, like his master the dog also never harmed the bird. और bird ने कभी किसी को कभी कोई तकलीफ नहीं दी. Means he used to just simply walk and eat. So this was the routine. Okay, one day the dog put his paws against the old man's leg. अपने paw means पंजा. उसने अपने जो old man's leg है, leg means पैर जो है, उसको push किया उससे. He motioned with his head to some spot behind. He motioned means he moved his head to indicate something. मतलब सिर से इशारा किया. ठीक है, motioned means सिर से इशारा करना. So to spot behind means to show something, किसी चीज़ को show करना पीछे की तरफ. Behind means rear back, at the back. Okay, to please his pet the old man followed him. So what did he do? He followed the old man. Okay, he followed the old man. Sorry, the old man followed the dog. किसने किसका फिर जैसे ही इशारा किया मुको ने, मुको द डॉग जस्ट इंडिकेटेड समथिंग एंड द ओल्ड मैन फॉलोड हिम. सो उसके पीछे पीछे ओल्ड मैन चले गए, कहाँ ले जा रहे देखने के लिए. एट अ लिटिल डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम देयर द डॉग स्टॉप्ड. सो ही स्टॉप्ड आफ्टर अ little distance. It started scratching the ground. And what did he start doing? He started doing scratching the ground. To help his pet, the old man struck his hoe in the earth. Okay, hoe means I told you it's a tool to dig the earth, गड्ढा करने के लिए. Now there was a pile of gold before him. So what did that old man find there? गड्ढा करने के बाद he found a lot of gold. So the old couple became rich. Okay, so the old man and old woman, both good old man and woman, they both became rich. They gave a feast to their friends and helped their poor neighbors. Okay, so उन्होंने पार्टी दी. feast means party and helped poor neighbors. Poor means those who are suffering from lack of money, food, गरीब लोग जिसे होते, उन्हें भी उन्होंने पैसे से मदद की. In the same village there lived a wicked old man and his wife. So there was one more couple in the same village who were bad. Okay, they wicked means bad people. Okay, they set before him good food, but the dog was afraid. He never ate nor moved. Okay, what happened? Once upon a time they brought the dog into their garden. वो उन्होंने कुत्तों को which dog? Muko the dog was brought by those old couple to their garden. उनके garden में लेके आए वो Muko को. And they offered them good food also, but he did not eat anything and he did not even move. उसे डर लग रहा था उस बुरे लोगों से. They dragged the dog out of doors. They walked with him. Okay, when they reached a pine tree, the dog began to scratch the ground. Okay, now what did they do? उनको गुस्सा आ गया तो उन्होंने घसीट के बाहर फेंक दिया, ठीक है, कुत्ते को. And they walked with him and they just thought that कि if we will drag him और उसको थोड़ा सा चलाएंगे तो maybe he'll stop somewhere and he will provide us some treasure. जैसे in the same way the dog provided the gold to द कपल, द गुड कपल. ओके, तो इस तरह से देखते हैं फिर वो आगे क्या करता है. सो ही स्टार्टेड स्क्रैचिंग ऑन द ग्राउंड. द विकेड कपल वॉज डिलाइटेड, नाउ दे थॉट दैट कि उनको अभी सच में खजाना मिलने वाला है. बोथ ऑफ देम डग द ग्राउंड. व्हाट दे गॉट वॉज डेड किटन. ओके, दे फाउंड द डेड किटन. वो गुस्से में आ गई यार. व्हेन द गुड कपल डिड द सेम थिंग, दे फाउंड द गोल्ड. बट नाउ हमारे टाइम आए तो कुछ the Muko, the dog, has provided us the dead kitten which is smelling badly. Then they flung him into the hole they had dug. तो जहाँ पे उन्होंने गड्ढा खोदा था खजाना ढूंढने के लिए, जहाँ से उनको ख़राब स्मेलिंग किटन मिली, they just flung him into the hole they had. उसी में उसको गाड़ दिया. ओके, उछाल कर फेंक दिया. flung means to just moving away. Okay, so the wrong thing happened with it. They heaped the earth over his carcass. What did they do? They heaped the earth means मिट्टी से उन्होंने वो जगह बुझा दी. They just covered the land surface which was dug by them, and the dead body of Muko the dog was inside that surface. Okay, तो वहाँ पे carcass means dead body. Already we have discussed this word in my previous lectures. The incident of the dog's death reached the ears of its owner. Okay, so when the owner of the dog Muko knew that their dog has dead, he felt so sad as if he had lost his own son. ऐसे रोने लगे जैसे उनका खुद का कोई बच्चे की डेथ हो गई हो. He went to the place where his pet had been buried. So buried means to dig the ground and put any dead body, किसी को खोद कर गाड़ देना उसमें, that is known as buried. He mourned for a long time. So the old man was in extreme sorrow. Mourned means mourned. Mourned means दुख प्रकट करना. Okay, he called him many dear names as if he were alive. That night he saw his dog in his dream. So he saw his dog in his dream. The same night he dead. Okay, the dog asked him to cut the pine tree and make from it a mortar. So the pine tree was just next to that same place. वहाँ पे जहाँ पे उसका डेड बॉडी बरी किया था उसके ठीक लग कर क्या था, एक पाइन ट्री था. सो द डॉग इन द ड्रीम टोल्ड द ओल्ड मैन टू कट दैट ट्री एंड make a mortar. Mortar means a sort of tool to make dough for different sort of things, bakery product. ठीक है, मोर्टार नाम का एक प्रोडक्ट होता है, बाउल की तरह होता है जिसमें क्रशिंग होती है, एंड यू कैन जस्ट मेक द फाइन पाउडर ऑफ राइस, समथिंग लाइक दैट. ओके, सो मोर्टार इज़ दैट टूल. यू आस्क्ड हिम टू मेक फ्रॉम दैट वुड मिल. तो दो चीज़ें बनाने बोला वहाँ उस पाइन ट्री की लकड़ी से, एक मोर्टार एंड वुड मिल. Okay, who told this thing to old man? The holy spirit of the dog. उस डॉग के स्पिरिट ने, उसकी आत्मा ने उसको बताया सपने में आके. ठीक है, उससे आप ये दो चीज़ें बनाओ उस लकड़ी से. So he did the same thing. Okay, he did the same thing. The incident of the dog's death reached the ears of its owner. Okay, so he felt so sad as if he had lost his own son. So already we have covered this. So that night he saw his dog. Also we have already covered this. So he started making things. The old man did as if he was told. So old man ने वही चीज़ किया जो करने बोला डॉग ने सपने में आके. With much labor he made a small bowl of the wood. Okay, with much labor means बहुत मेहनत के साथ. Labor means hard work. He made a small bowl of the wood. Then he made a long handled hammer of wood. Then he made a long हैंडल्ड हैमर ऑफ द वुड. उस पाइन ट्री के लकड़ी से हैमर भी बनाया. व्हेन द न्यू ईयर ड्रू नियर, मतलब न्यू ईयर पास में पहुंचा, न्यू ईयर टाइम, ही डिसाइडेड टू मेक सम राइस पेस्ट्री. नाउ ही डिसाइडेड टू मेक सम राइस पेस्ट्री. और उसके लिए किस चीज़ों की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी उसको? ऑब्वियसली ही विल नीड मोर्टार एंड दैट मिल. ओके, MILL मिल, छोटा सा मिल, हैंड मिल जो होता है लकड़ी से बना हुआ, जिससे कुछ पेस्ट वगैरह क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, दे पुट द बॉइल्ड राइस इन द वुडन मोर्टार. उन्होंने उसमें बॉइल्ड राइस डाला वुडन मोर्टार में. द ओल्ड मैन यूज द वुडन हैमर टू पाउंड द मास इनटू डो. तो वो जैसा कि ये वर्ड मैंने यूज़ भी किया इन माई प्रीवियस लेक्चर, खलबत्ता जिसे बोलते हैं. ओके, बट इट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ वुड, नॉट ऑफ द आयरन. मेटल से बने, आपके बहुत लोगों के घर पे भी होगा. दैट इज़ नोन एज मोर्टार. I hope now you have understood this. सो ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर मेड अप ऑफ दैट पाइन ट्री जिसके नीचे करीब the dog was buried. Okay, the old man used the wooden hammer to pound the mass into dough. Pound means crush करना किसी चीज़ को. When pastry was ready for baking, it turned into mass of gold coins. So it जैसे ही उसको उसमें डाला बेकिंग करने के लिए बेकर में, so it turned into gold coins. It's a miracle. The old woman took the hand mill and filling it with bean sauce began to grind. Okay, so again some work was left, so the old woman just held that hand mill भी बनाया था उस pine tree से. So she started to make sauce out of it. The gold dropped like rain. So sauce बनाने जैसे ही beans डाले उन्होंने, so it was converted into raindrops of gold. गोल्ड के छोटे छोटे बौछार होने लगी. At this moment the envious neighbor peeped into the window. He decided to borrow the mill. Okay, so the bad couple, याद है आपको, वो सारी चीज़ें देख रहे थे. So he and she both bad couple, old couple, they peeped, मतलब उन्होंने घूर के देख लिया वहाँ पे. Okay, peep means ध्यान से देखना, आंखें नज़रें बारीक करके. Fine, then what happened? They also decided to borrow the mill. The moment they knew that कि कुछ ऐसा miracle हो रहा है, from the mill the rain of the gold is happening inside their house, so they should borrow that mill. Okay, वो उस मिल को उनसे उधार मांगने चले जाते. Borrow means to take for some time and return, and you return things. उसको borrow लेना means उधार लेना बोलते हैं. Okay, the old couple readily gave their mill to the neighbor and they readily just gave it. मतलब बिना किसी hesitation के उन्होंने वो हैंड मिल दे भी दिया उन बैड कपल को, गुड कपल ने. The man began to pound the rice and the woman began to grind. And what did they do? They started grinding and pounding. Okay, however this time the pastry and sauce turned into worms. But okay, what was it converted into? It was converted into worms. इल्लियाँ बन गई, जहाँ उनको लगा कि गोल्ड मिलेगा जैसे उन्हें मिला. But they did not get the gold, but because of their bad deeds, उनके बुरे कर्मों की वजह से उन्हें इल्लियाँ मिली. Okay, they broke the mill into pieces to use it as firewood. Now what did they do? Due to their anger, they just broke it into pieces. तोड़ दिया, टुकड़े टुकड़े कर दिया और उसे जलाने के लिए रख दिया. So this is nothing but the कर्मों के फल जिसे बोलते हैं. Whatever you give, you receive. Okay, it is all give and take. Do perform good deeds and you will, in return you will receive nice results, right? So this is the moral of the story, and I have explained, I have revised this lesson in short in 12 minutes. Okay, तो आपको प्रीवियस वीडियो में नहीं समझा होगा तो इसमें काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें कवर हो गई होगी. थैंक यू सो मच, टेक केयर.